How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Binance account and you can also open up your Trust Wallet, and after that click on this option of deposit. Now select the option of deposit crypto. Over here you need to select the USDT since we want to receive USDT. Select the option of network. Make sure that you select the same network on Binance as well as on Trust Wallet. Here you would get the address. Simply copy the address from here, then open up your Trust Wallet. On Trust Wallet, click on this option of send, and after that you just have to select the option of USDT and then just simply paste the address that we just copied from Binance, and make sure that your network is similar to what you selected on Binance. After that, type the amount of USDT that you want to transfer and then click on withdraw, and this way you would be able to send the USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.